Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix share location not working. Let's get started. First, make sure location service are on. Go to settings, then go to privacy and security, then go to location services and turn it on. The next step is open settings, then Apple ID, then find my and share my location and make sure it's enabled. The next step is check date and time in settings. Then go to general, then go to date and time and turn on set automatically. Next step is make sure you signed in iCloud with the same Apple ID on both devices. And after that, restart your iPhone. Sometimes a quick reboot fixes syncing issues. If it's still not working, check network connection, Wi-Fi, or mobile data and update your iOS to the latest version. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.